I studied at two different universities. I spent the first semester in Germany in a tiny town called Germersheim, and then I spent my second semester in Brussels. It was a lot of fun.
I was studying in Madrid in a university right in the centre, so it couldn't have been more central Spain. And basically I was just right in the middle of all the vibrant city, and it was a really good experience to be immersed in the language so directly. So it was a really good experience.
One of the most memorable things was my work experience at the European Parliament. I spent a couple of days shadowing one of the MEPs for Wales, and it was just an amazing experience that, yeah, couldn't do again really.
The most memorable thing was probably arriving there and realising that I was living with 8 Mexicans, because I hadn't realised how different Mexican Spanish was. But I gained a lot from it, and these things that challenge you, you realise that you can actually learn best from them. So it was an experience like that made me realise how much work I had to put in from the very beginning, and that just really helped me to focus myself on achieving what I wanted to for my year abroad.
My languages, I noticed, improved greatly, and so did my confidence when speaking them. I had to get my thoughts across. I had to communicate with people, so I just had to speak, which then meant that I was just so much more confident when communicating with others. And personally, I had a great time. I became much more independent. I travelled by myself, which I'd never done before. When
you're in that situation, you don't understand how much you're developing, but it's when parents visit or when friends come to visit you and you realise, actually, yeah, I really am progressing. And my language level went from intermediate to fluent over the year abroad. And also, I decided to do my dissertation on the differences between Mexican and Peninsular Spanish, so it obviously had its effect on me personally, because it made me a lot more interested in not just the language as a whole, but all the different dialects and forms and variants of the language as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. It was one of the best experiences that I've had, and it's certainly a highlight from the course.